What is up, YouTube? How's everybody doing this late Monday night? Man, it is very late. I'm making this video late, guys. Sorry. Just got caught up today, busy, and I almost wasn't going to make the video, guys, but I had to do it. This is Robinhood and Stock Talk with Jaime G, where I share my investing journey in the stock market, in my Robinhood account, and the ups and downs, the green days and the red days that comes with investing in the markets, guys. This is definitely not financial advice. If you'd like to help out the channel, please like and subscribe. Maybe give it a fat thumbs up. Maybe leave a comment down below or hit the subscribe bell so you can get notified when I come out with these awesomely great videos for you guys. Right, guys? I just wanted to briefly share the stocks that I have been picking, guys, have been going up, right? If you guys really watch my videos and maybe do your own research and look up at these companies like EHang, the drone company I talked about, shot up like 13% today, guys. Vine Therapeutics, Gevo, all these other companies that I be making videos on, guys, they all go up. I do my due diligence, right, guys? I may be new and I don't have all the technical analysis breakdowns and all this crazy fundamentals, but I do my research and I share a little bit of artifacts with you that I be reading up, like I will from Yahoo Finance today with you guys about TAKEDA Pharmaceuticals. But I'm saying all that to say this: don't count me out, guys. I do give good information for you guys to put these companies on your radar so you can do whatever you want with them, right? If you want to obviously grow your account, a lot of these companies are growing, that are going up in percentage, right? The ones that I share, you know what I mean? So don't count me out, guys, you know what I mean? Or you can, or do whatever you want. It's not financial advice. I just give you companies to put on your radar so you can grow your account just like I am. You know what I mean? Like I always say, I hope to hopefully motivate somebody to open an account so they can start investing, whether it's the markets, you know, real estate or crypto, anything, right, guys? Nobody taught me. I'm learning on my own. I didn't know anything, and look at my account now. You know what I mean? So, all right, let's get on into it, right? Now, it says TAKEDA achieves industry-leading position in 2021 Access to Medicine Index. It says TAKEDA company ranked 6th overall and leads the pharmaceutical industry in governance of access. Secured industry-leading positions in all 3 technical areas evaluated, show strong performance in health systems strengthening and compliance. TAKEDA has earned an industry-leading position within the 2021 Access to Medicine Index published today. Specifically, the company achieved notable high scores in all 3 technical areas evaluated by the index, including being ranked 1st in governance of access. TAKEDA also demonstrated strong performance in the areas of health system strengthening, compliance, and R&D capacity building, according to the index. This honor underscores TAKEDA's commitment to prioritizing patients' needs by ensuring access to our life-transforming treatments, said Christopher Weber, TAKEDA President and Chief Executive Officer. As a purpose-driven company that puts the patient at the center of everything we do, we are committed to not just inventing medicines, but making sure patients can access transforming therapies, guys. The ATM Index is a rigorous binary research project combining data collection, verification, scoring, and analysts that compare 20 of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies, guys. 20. And they rank 6 out of 20 of the world. Not in Japan, not in America, in the world. And they rank number 6. That's awesome. The world's largest pharmaceutical companies on their efforts to address access to medicines. TAKEDA was ranked 6th overall and achieved top 10 position within the 3 technical areas evaluated: governance of access, research and development, and product delivery. This includes top ranking in governance of access. TAKEDA is humbled by our recognition within the latest Access to Medicine Index, added Ricardo Merrick, president of the Growth and Emerging Market Businesses units of TAKEDA. Our ranking further illustrates how TAKEDA's values are being lived across the company, and how our access first approach across TAKEDA's Growth and Emerging Markets region is helping patients overcome access challenges in a more sustainable manner. Other notable highlights from TAKEDA's achievements in 2021 include recognition for its focus on end-to-end patient access to treatment. In fact, TAKEDA was cited for its focus on affordable access to medicines, which is very important, guys, because medicine can be very expensive. Throughout the drug development process, from early stage clinical development through product launch and commercialization, TAKEDA also led the index's 20 companies in the category of assessing access strategies for medicines that must be administered by healthcare practitioners. The company led the industry for R&D capacity building, TAKEDA earned an industry-leading position in the area of health system strengthening. TAKEDA's blueprint for innovative healthcare access, a local community care program in Kenya and Rwanda, focuses on non-communicable diseases, NCDs, was recognized as a scalable and inclusive business model aimed to meet the access need of population at the very base of the economic pyramid. Right, and then, you know, it goes on to talk more. I'm not going to read a bunch, right, guys? And then also, I'll get my notes here, bear with me, right? And then, on January 19th, right, this was from 8 days ago, right? And this is from January 19th. It says, Health Canada has approved TAKEDA's NTVO, a new ready-to-use self-injecting subconscious format for a home maintenance treatment for Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, right? I definitely know what ulcerative colitis is, right, guys? It deals with your intestines. My wife actually has ulcerative colitis, and she's ended up in the hospital because of it, guys. It's a, you know, it's a horrible disease, right? And it says which affects, you know, which it infects your intestines, right? So, you know, so that's definitely a plus, you know, that they did. Yes, that's in Canada, but hopefully it'll trickle down here in America as well, guys. You know what I mean? But we'll see, right? And then I'm gonna read another article about the company, right, guys? I'm not gonna be too long today. It says TAKEDA presents positive results for MOBO in patients with EGRFN exon 20 insertions who received prior platinum-based chemotherapy. It says TAKEDA today announced new data from the phase 1/2 trial of MOBO. I'm just saying MOBO. It's a big, long word. I'm just abbreviating the word, guys. Orally administered in previous treated patients with epidural growth factor receptor, EGRF exon 20 insertion, plus metastatic non-small cell lung cancer will be presented at a late-breaking oral session at the International Association for the Study of Lung Cancer. Results show MOBO demonstrated clinically meaningful response and a noteworthy duration of response in patients with EGRF exon 20 insertions. You know, it's always good, guys, when pharmaceutical companies or, you know, biotech companies, you know, to get they, you know, that's their bread and butter is passing patents and having stuff in the pipeline, right? Having the FDA, so on and so forth. These people pass their drugs and stuff that they're working on, right, for the breaking technology in medicine and stuff, right, guys? So all this is great news, right? And it says results show metabolism clinically meaningful response and a noteworthy duration of response in patients with the EGRF exon 20 surgeon who received prior platinum-based therapy, said Pasi Johnny, the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute. These data are promising and provide further evidence for MOBO as a potential oral treatment for patients with the EGRF exon 20 who are in critical need of targeted treatment options. The analysts of platinum pre-treated patients included patients with the EGRF exon 20 insertion, and then it breaks down here. It says the safety profile observed was manageable. The most common treatment-related adverse events platinum pre-treated patients of the from the May data cutoff were diarrhea. And then, you know, it just gives you a little bit of, I'm not going to get onto the details, right? Basically kind of on the side effects, right? Everything's going to have a little bit of side effects, guys, right? But it says the importance of advancing research for people living with the EGRF exon 20 insertion, a complex and devastating disease with no approved targeted therapies. So in other words, there's no medicines right now for this, guys. Cannot be overstated, as existing treatment options provided limited benefit and patients often have poor survival outcomes. In other words, a lot of people die from it, is what they're basically saying without saying, said Christopher Arden, head oncology therapeutic area unit. TAKEDA, we're proud of these positive results from MOBO, the first oral therapy designed to selectively target their disease, and we look forward to submitting data from the platinum pretreated population analyst to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, and other regulatory agencies around the globe. MOBO is currently not approved for exon 22, right? But it's in the works, right? Then it says the phase 2 trial aims to elevate the safety for pharmacokinetics and anti-tumor activity of oral MOBO in patients with non-small lung cancer. Trials comprised of a phase 1 dose escalating evaluated MOBO as a monotherapy and combined with chemotherapy You know, I'm not going to go more into it, guys. It's basically giving you the medical breakdown on, the medical breakdown, guys, on, sorry, I don't know what happened to my screen there, guys. Gives you the medical breakdown on about what medicine does and so on and so forth. So I'm not going to really get all into that. Sorry, guys, my camera went dark and I accidentally dropped it. And I dropped my iPad. But I'm not going to edit that. It's all good. So, guys, like I said, you have these major institutional investors that got 40 million shares, 68 million dollars worth of shares, and 42 million. Those three companies, guys, own millions and millions of dollars of TAKEDA Pharmaceutical. You know what I mean? Because they obviously see the major potential in this company. And like I said, ARK Investment went on a crazy shopping spree, guys, on this company. Well, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I just wanted to put it on your guys' radar, guys. TAKEDA Pharmaceutical. And, you know, obviously if ARK Investment, BlackRock, and Vanguard are in this company, it's worth looking at least, and do your own due diligence and do your own research, guys. This is Robinhood and Stock Talk with Jaime G. I hope you guys have a great day in the markets, and I will come at you guys with another video tomorrow. God bless. Stay safe. Peace.